What time is it, sir?
11. Oh, it's almost 11.
Oh, yeah. You can start if you want to.
Madam, we had a discussion with my colleague yesterday.
This colleague.
For the state.
Yes.
And the rest of the colleagues, my lord, regarding the evidence that the witness has already tendered. Some other aspects need to be consulted with the accused, and some other documents like the dockets that are still pending or needs to be consulted with the accused. We then came to a conclusion that after the examination in chief, we may stand the matter down as per request until Monday to commence the cross-examination.
Mr. Nisi, is it waar? Is it die waarheid?
Yes, it is true.
Je kan niet Afrikaans praten.
Yeah, you can.
Yes, Mumalo, sir?
My lord, before I respond, may I bring to the attention of the court, my lord,
Yes.
that I will be cross-examining this witness because I've received some instructions that this witness dealt with my client, accused number 4, on the 6th of July, 2020. Hence, I'm surprised that the state hasn't led this witness to the events of the 6th of July, 2020.
6 July 2020.
Yes.
Okay, so you want to cross-examine him now?
Not now.
Oh, I see.
When my turn comes.
Oh, when your turn comes?
Yes.
Okay, let's hear Mr. Baloyi. They say you haven't let this witness, Sergeant Mokhali, regarding
my
the
lord,
6th of July.
We made it clear at the beginning that we only going to let him at this point regarding accused number 1 and 2, my lord.
Yeah, but Mr. Ngumalo says he's got the right to cross-examine him.
Yes, by all means, my lord.
Yeah. So even if you haven't led him, you know that Mr. Ngumalo has the right to cross-examine.
Indeed.
Okay, thank you. Ms. Chololo?
I have no objection to the postponement.
Okay. Mr. Baloyi, do you confirm the postponement for consultation purposes?
Yes, we were not going to object to the request in light of the fact that his evidence is quite prolix. We're not going to object to the request, ma'am.
So the judge Mutiwa Shainjam. How do you laugh, Mr. Ngumalo?
May I request, my lord, that the accused number 1 and number 2
They must remain.
to remain, my lord.
Where's the gentlemen who are responsible for transporting number 1 and number 2, number 3 and number 4? Same story. And 5. They should all remain.
I've completed my consultation, so I have no problems.
Yeah, but aren't they being taken together en masse? 2 this side, 3 this side. Where are the warders? Yeah. Okay, I'm ordering in the absence of the warders that the accused should remain until they've consulted with their counsel. Thank you. Monday then, okay?